Zack and Sally.
Hi.
Hi, where are you guys going?
And Thomas the train.
You're going on Thomas the train? Okay.
Oh no, my Thomas!
Oh no! What happened to your Thomas, Zack?
Oh no!
Oh no, it's all muddy and yucky.
Let's give it a car wash.
You wanna give it a car wash, Sally?
Yeah.
What about you, Zack? You wanna give it a car wash? Yeah, let's wash.
I got it.
You got it. Oh no! Thomas the train is so muddy. Go, Sally. Are you helping Zack out? Yeah. Is Sally helping you out? Yes, she is. Big help, Sally. Wow, good helping. Wow, good job, Sally.
I can't get it out.
Clean, clean, clean. Come on, spray more water. Wow.
You know this?
Yeah. Wow. More, Sally, more. Good job, Princess. Wow.
More.
You're doing awesome. Good job. Now it's Zack's turn. Thank you. Okay, Zack, you want to do it? Oh, Thomas' face. Come see Thomas' face, Sally. Come. Oh, all clean. Woo! Good job. Woohoo! Thomas' face is clean. Woohoo! Yay! Good job. Okay, Zack is pouring the soap. That's perfect. And now, Sally, you have to pour the water.
Okay.
That's it, Zack. That's a lot. That's it.
Okay.
Good job.
Can I do it by myself?
Yes, you can. More. Good job. More.
Okay, that's
Wow. Woohoo!
it.
That's it. Okay, some more soap for Tommy's face. Woohoo! More soap on Tommy's face. Yeah. Go, Zack. Good job. Tommy's face is all shiny now. Is Tommy's face all shiny, Sally?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about you, Zack? Is Tommy's face shiny? Yes.
Okay.
Good job. Sally, stir for Tommy's face again. We're gonna make Tommy's extra shiny. Yeah.
My feet.
Perfect.
My feet.
What happened to your feet? Is it muddy? Oh no, it's okay. We'll clean your feet too. Look, it's Huck's feet. They're muddy. Oh no. Good job. Okay, Sally, now we need to get the water.
Oh.
Okay, just last time, Mommy's gonna help with Tommy's first. Woohoo! Okay, and now we're gonna pour all of it. Ah! So much fun! Here, Thomas, you're all clean now. Woohoo! Okay, so go, Zack, pour it. Wow! I think Thomas is super shiny now, right? Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna clean it again with water. Wow. Clean. You guys are awesome. Clean his face, Sally.
Look at that.
Yeah, here we go. You guys did it. Good job. Wow, it's all shiny. Super clean. I love it. Good job. Wow, the train track is all clean. Good job, guys. Yeah, we did it. Look at this. It's super clean. Super clean. Good job. Wow. Okay, guys, we came to the end of the video. It's time to say bye, guys. hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs